Endress Hauser Orbisint CPS11D is a digital pH electrode for automating pH measurement points in industrial plants, using Memosens technology. The Teflon diaphragm of the sensor is highly resistant to contamination. The electrode is equipped with an integrated temperature sensor to improve measurement accuracy. Application areas: pulp and paper industry, chemical production, oil refining and petrochemicals, energy, incinerators, food industry, brewing industry and others. Benefits: no maintenance costs. Application in hygienic processes. Pressure applications up to 16 bar. Longer life due to ion trap. Sterilizable. Industrial glass is available for use with highly alkaline liquids. Integrated PT100 or PT1000 temperature sensor for efficient temperature compensation. Inductive signal transmission provides 100% protection of contacts against corrosion.